To install Twint payments, go to the Twint menu, create your account, download the plugin, and activate your subscription. Go ahead and start your free trial here. Just create your account and log in with it. You'll receive a verification code in your email. Just type it in when asked. Then log in and add your domain name like Toto, ch here. Once you add it, you should see a button to sign up for the free trial. Then pick either annual or monthly subscription and complete payment. Now, if I go back to my dashboard, I can easily change that subscription. For this domain name, I've got two choices. I can change my subscription plan, or I can cancel it so it doesn't automatically renew when the current term ends. Next, go back to your dashboard, download the plugin to install Twint. Once downloaded, return to your site and go to Plugins. Click Add a plugin, upload it, and then just select your file from your computer. Double-click your file to install. Once installed, activate it, then go to Pay4All TWINT in Pay4All TWINT. Just go to the license section, and that's where you'll activate your plugin. After that, head into Settings there. You can just go ahead and finish the install. The Twitter plugin instructions here include videos showing how to create your Twitter account and store. Once your Twint store is ready, you'll have your UID, certificate, and certificate password. Once you've got all three, move to Step 2 and enter your notification email so you get alerts about your stores. That includes the IDs of the stores you've created and the name of the show you want to use it with. Download your plugin, place it here with this button, enter your password, and test the Twint connection. If everything's right, Twint shows OK, then you can move on. Save in this final step. You'll see your HUD extra. Confirm Pay4All Shop plugin is installed. You can also install WooCommerce and use Twint payments there.